Paulo Cruzada, do not make bomb threats. Even you're saying about what you're saying, I think Denzel Joshua had told me your parents have already been prohibited you for using social media like Facebook and Messenger. And at least you never attend the hearing. You know that Joseph Maspinas had said to me, I told to Denzel, um, last year 2024, last year um, um, Joseph Maspinas once invite Paulo Cruzada in hearing in January 16, even Gino Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jima Casandil. I know four of them, they never attend the hearing. Oh, and you know what, Paulo Cruzada, do not recruit Wawel Romero as an ISIS. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero is going to sue against you. After Joseph Maspinas have filed the lawsuit against you, Wawel Romero will file the lawsuit against you. Paulo Cruzada, who will be responsibility? If the mother of Joseph Maspinas and the big sister of Wawel Romero, even that her parents were still there, even the uncle of Joseph Maspinas was still there too, they will report you to barangay. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I was being reported by barangay by Mr. Dennis Gill, by a father of David Gill. And I know when Capitana invited me last 2022, I'm the one responsible for promoting terrorism. I didn't listen to Roy Dan Marlang. I didn't listen to to anyone, especially to my parents. And not only parents, I didn't listen to everyone. I didn't listen um to to I didn't listen to Joshua Arroyo. I didn't listen to Roy Dan Marlang. I didn't listen to Stefan Pimentel. And I didn't listen to Rafa Soco. And I made the consequence. I made my fault. This is my consequence. Like I said. And I know, last 2022, Roy Dan Marlang is responsible for bullying of David Gill, especially me, especially Tero Francisco, Tomas Gregory Ferrer, but not Carlos Kanakashi. It's only four of us, even Danmar Dayaw, Kuya Danmar, and also Cedric. All of us, we're being responsible for bullying David Gill. But four of you, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, and Paulo Cruzada, four of you should learn all of your consequence. You know, the time, all of you didn't know about your consequence, and even you, Teacher May Tiburcio, you're the one who bully Joseph Maspinas, and you're saying that hayop ka, Joseph Maspinas. Who will summon you in barangay? You, Teacher May Tiburcio. And there's an uncle of Joseph Maspinas. This could not be happen. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, this is a lesson for you, and this is the lesson from my past. You need to stop promoting terrorism, and do not promote terrorism. What you're saying about sa booking kong Metro Manila at Davao City, even you're mentioning about Moscow, Russia, and even China, even Beijing, even Tehran, Iran, Tokyo, Nagoya, Osaka. At least he didn't mention about Fukuoka. And he mentioned about North Korea, Pyongyang, even Frankfurt, Germany, and Stuttgart, the place of Nanay Ningning. That is your responsible, Paulo Cruzada. Don't spread the bomb threat in social media, in Messenger. Do you know what really happened to the news? The one of student posted the bomb threat in Facebook. The bomb threat is illegal, Paulo Cruzada. You make Joseph Maspina scared. You don't know about bomb joke. You make him scared. You make him angry. You see that Joseph Maspina's mother, the friend of Jeric Silva, even the spedmotics of Jeric Silva, they are condemning against your promoting terrorism. You know, Paulo Cruzada, at least you are being summoned in barangay. You are being summoned by Joseph Maspina's uncle. He reported you to the police. If the police arrest you, they will bring you in the mental hospital. I think Paulo Cruzada is a special child. He will be in National Center of Mental Health. You should be there in mental hospital, Paulo Cruzada. Have a shame to yourself. Even you attack Teacher Marisa, even you attack Teacher Kelpabelo, even you attack Drita Ziri, Mina Suchoy, Jessica Lane, and then you forcing Wawel Romero and Arnel Guerrero Castillo as themselves as ISIS. They are not Muslim, they are not Salafist, they are not Wahhabist. Wawel Romero, she is my schoolmate in CDIFI. She is my good friend. She's not an ISIS. She's not a Wahhabist. She's not Sunni. She's not Salafist. She is my schoolmate. How would Wawel has converted to be a Muslim? Where's your proof, Paulo Cruzada? How would you remember that Arnel Guerrero Castillo was a Muslim? He's not a Muslim, he's a Catholic. Arnel Guerrero Castillo is a Catholic. Wawel Romero is a Christian. Me, I'm a Shia Muslim. I'm a former Shia Muslim, but I am also Judaism. I am Iglesia ni Cristo. I am not Muslim, but I'm a former Shia Muslim. I respect Islam, who are Shia. But this time, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting ISIS. ISIS are radical. They are radical Islam, but you don't know what you're promoting at. Do not promote ISIS. You make everyone scared. If you threaten to bomb Metro Manila, what about Rapasoco's place in Quezon City? Would you ever make bomb joke there, even in his school, in Integrated Center Piang? Paulo Cruzada? At least Rapasoco was not in a group chat. Rapasoco had monitoring you. Like I said, Rapasoco was trying to monitoring me and Jeric Silva, what is going on in group chat. And what do Paulo Cruzada? What does Paulo Cruzada had sent us bomb threats and bomb jokes in Messenger. Everyone are panicking. Just like Mr. Dennis Gill says, the father of David, says, that bomb joke or bomb threat is not really a knowledge. It's a cause of terrorism. You know that, Paulo Cruzada, it's a cause of terrorism. Since without Teacher Lendel, since without um, David Gill, since without Teacher Chin Busmante, since without Roylan Marlang, I know Teacher Lendel was not teaching there in CDIFI, and Teacher Chin Busmante is not teaching in CDIFI too, same. And even Roylan Marlang and David Gill, they were not there also at the time. Please, Paulo Cruzada, stop promoting terrorism. We're being high alert in Metro Manila. You'll be happen to Navid Akram, who's the ISIS, who's his father, who's a Muslim, an Indian Muslim, who's a Wahhabis and Sunni Salafist named Sajid Navkram, the Indian who's a Muslim. You want to be happen to him? I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, that bomb threat and bomb joke, it's really illegal. It's really illegal. You know that. Just like I said before. Oh, I don't want to be happen to you. You will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada, just like what I really happened to me for what I did to David Gill. That is your consequence. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, what was Mrs. Annie Gill said to me, the mother of David Gill? Oh, do not use Facebook anymore, Paulo Cruzada. Because I know your mother reprimand you. You are a special child. And you're pretending yourself you're an ISIS. You, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Jim Macasandil, do not promote ISIS.